evening, everyone. Let's continue with our conversational Sesotho. So today we'll do a quick review of the Basotho greetings. Let me see if I can move the camera. Right there. All right. Okay. So greetings. Greetings are Litumeliso. Litumeliso. Okay, so in a very unhappy situation, how would you respond to the following greetings? Okay, so I'll say the greeting and you say the response. Dumela. Okay? So you will change the intonation. You can make it either very brief or very fast, and you don't even pay a lot of attention. You can even be walking as you respond. So, and then the next one, Opila Joang. Opila Joang. How do you respond? Okay, I'll move to the next one. Libizo lahao kimang. Libizo lahao kimang. And the last one, Zwa. Zwa. Remember that I said that the basic instruction on how to respond to this assessment is to imagine that we have an unpleasant or a volatile situation. So let's go over this again and see if you had the correct answers to begin with. Okay, so Dumela. If you're not happy, you say Dumela. Oh, Dumela. Very introverted. And Opila Joang. Ke phela hantle. Ke phela hantle. But if you are mad at me, you say Ke phela hantle. It's very soft and very fast, like, you don't even want to hear from me. Libitso lahao ke mang. Do you remember the response if you don't want to talk to me? You say, ha ke tsebe. Ha ke tsebe. Ha ke tsebe means I don't know. And the last one, Zwa. This is asking you to leave my home. And if it's an unpleasant situation, how do you respond? You say, Kiahana. Kiahana means I don't want to leave. Okay, so I'll be back in a few minutes and we will go over the second set of instructions on how to respond to your Basotho greeting if we have a pleasant situation. Okay, I'll be right back, and thank you for being here. Oh, before I forget, I know some people have birthdays today. Happy birthday, happy celebration. Don't finish the cake, okay? I'll be right there.